So for today's video is another clean with me. I have Maddie with me right now. She's really scared for some reason. I think it's the airplane, but yes, I'm gonna be cleaning my room today. I'm gonna be cleaning my room today, and oh wait, don't mind my nails. Okay, I'm gonna get them done like probably next week because my mom wants to wait to get her nails done because we both got our nails done at the same time, and she wants to wait. So girls, trust me, I'm gonna get some new nails. So yeah, don't mind that. But we're gonna clear our room. We got a lot of vacuuming, cleaning, the vanity, dusting, all the goods. I have some clothes laying around that, you know, just like I took off because I want to relax already, and like a mess. I'm gonna be real with y'all. A mess. I need to fix that. Don't go over the floor. I got trash I need to throw out. And I don't know if y'all realize, like, other people who have cleaning videos have a really messy room. And I'm not the type to have my room that messy. I don't know if y'all, like, feel me on that. Like, I don't have a really dirty room. I kind of keep my room, like, try to keep my room as clean as I can. So, like, when you see my video, it's not, like, that messy top, you know, deep clean with me. It's just, you know, here and there. Just, you know, maybe for your room you need to touch up, but you need to vacuum, you need to do something just to get up, because I'm doing this. I'm gonna motivate y'all to clean y'all's room too. So this is my OOT today. I honestly did not wear this today. I wore this shirt, but I wanted to be comfortable for this video because I'll be doing a lot of bending down, organizing a little bit. So yeah, so before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That means so much to me, and let's get right into it. So I'm gonna everything around my bed. So just start off and do my bed because I honestly made my bed wrong. I washed my comforter and I put it the wrong way. So we're gonna clean a little bit and then fix my bed. Don't mind the situation. Acting like there's nothing wrong. Found some shorts. I was like, I've been looking for these. Found some of my shorts. Sleeping with the TV on. Darling, so solidified. Oh, I know it won't be long. Pull my sutures and climbing up, warming eyes, acting like there's nothing wrong. Going back to tell you right. Sleeping with the TV on. Darling, so solidified. Oh, I know it won't be long. Okay, my bed is made. I have my sissy right there. That was just a lot of work. I have to drink some water because their food was dying. Let's get hot. So I'm gonna put up my shorts and then the shirt I have right here. This is like my sleep set, honestly. I've been sleeping with a tank top lately because I sleep with like random shirts, but like I really wanna like start wearing like a set. So I can look really cute when I go to bed, you know. Shorts on the floor. One of my favorite jeans. They are from Hollister. And they're curvy high-rise mom jeans. And I love them so much. I like cannot stop wearing these. But that's what they are, if you're wondering. I know I get a lot of questions about these jeans because, you know, they're so cute and so perfect. And they make my hips look kind of curvy. I'm like, girl, yes please. Give me all of it. So yeah, these are the jeans. And I am a size 3 and I got it in short because, you know, your girl's short. So to show y'all what like my jean collection, I kind of threw some away, and this is all I have in my drawer. So as you can see, I got these jeans, but I really do want to expand it. So I like to kind of color coordinate them. So these go in here. Hold on, let me fix it. So that's what they look like. That's all my jeans. These are the mom jeans. These are my boyfriend ones. These are just the Levi 501 straight. And then my Shein ones, I haven't worn these yet. I'm so like, ugh. And then like the rest are like skinny jeans right here. So, oh, I need to put these shoes up. Okay, I don't remember my hair. I have my hair lipstick black, but today was not a good day. It was humid outside and it was raining. So like my hair is kind of like went everywhere. I don't know if y'all seen, I saw on my Instagram, it's the UV Vans shoes that are like white with polka dots, but when you go in the sun, they have pretty little flowers on them, like they just form like pretty little flowers, and it was like so cute with those. So aesthetic. Do y'all just get a craving when you're at the store and you're like, girl, I'm hungry, what should I get? So I get my favorite, the Cosmic Brownie. That is smacked. Then I just wanted some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I didn't want a lot. I wanted a little bit, so I got some cereal, and then I wanted some sunflower seeds. Weirdest cravings, honestly. But let's start. Okay, if y'all hear the little thing, it's because I made another one. It looks super cute. Let me show you on the mirror. I made one. Well, I gave the other one to my niece, and I made me another one on my camera. So it looks super cute. Like, I love it. So if you hear kind of that. Okay, so this one right here. I was thinking about removing my LED lights because I don't really use them, and I just don't want to use them anymore. But I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I'm really thinking about it. I don't know. So I'm gonna clean now. I don't mind this like dirty Kleenex thing. My dad gave this to me because we ran out of the cleaner, I guess, because I couldn't find it. So don't mind this, okay? Okay. On real quick with this candle. This candle smells so good. So I'm gonna put y'all on this candle. It smells really good. It's a citrus sunset, and oh my god, it smells so good. It's great for the summer, honestly. It's tangerine, goji berry, something. Yeah. So it's the brand Opal House, and it looks like this. It looks super cute. Very summer vibes. So it smells really good. It actually makes my room smell really, really nice, and I actually like it. So if you need a candle for your room, this is a good one to get. Guys, remember my 1K video? I made it in October. This is my 1K plaque I made. Super cute. I can't wait to get the 100K one. I'm for sure gonna get it. I know. We're gonna manifest that. We're gonna get our 100K play button. I wish they could make one for 1K. That'd be so awesome. Okay, I just want to pat it because I don't want to ruin the letters. But yeah. We're gonna manifest. We're gonna hit 100K this year. We got imagine this how really clean it was. So I'm gonna go put this back into the kitchen. I'm gonna throw some more things back, and I'll be right back with y'all. Hey guys, I am back. I'm going to wipe down everything now, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna vacuum. Let's have a clean room. Let's have a clean room. Okay. So the handy dandy Lysol wipes, the lemon ones, you know, boo, just grab whatever that kills a germ. So that means when I get Lysol wipes, what do I get? I'm gonna give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, handy dandy gloves. We're gonna pretend we did not see that. Oh my god, I hope I don't get a reaction. They got on my lips and my cheek and my chest. So, we're gonna clean now. I swear I've seen my share of black and white. And I swear this screen cleaned. I cleaned my vanity. My mirrors look so shiny, like, girl. So I'm finally throwing my dust gloves away. Let's turn on my candle. You know? Battery's gonna die. I love that. Love that, right? So let me do this real quick. Okay, I'm back. Battery died. So, as I was saying, I just did my candle. So I think I'm going to organize my little station thing right there just a little bit. And then we're gonna vacuum, and I'll show y'all like an after what my room looks like, how like clean it looks and stuff like that. So I'm gonna watch put y'all right here. Okay, there's really nothing much to do. I clean up just a little bit, but I definitely need to plan out next month's calendar, like what videos to post and stuff like that. So if you have any ideas of videos you would love to see, let your girl know, because I'll definitely do it for y'all. And so yeah, I need to fix this up. Honestly, I can just, let's just change it. Why not? Basically, tomorrow's the last day of April, but you know, that's okay. I just change it, and then I gotta write on it probably tomorrow. Pull the strings and watch me come apart for you. Don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around, and tell me what you want to do. Don't believe in that. Wooden pieces inside you. Pull the strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. I don't pull the strings and watch me come apart for you. Don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around, and tell me what you want to do. Me right in the way if I show y'all everything. So don't mind the chair, it does not go here, but I was not gonna take down my thing because it'd be too long to take those down. So first off, when you walk in my room, you see my purses, you see a very clean, probably gonna do a thumbnail in a little bit, but yeah, super clean. The candle smells so good. It's just very clean. Trash I need to throw out. Here's my bed. I need to charge that battery. My TV looks simple and clean. And I don't know if y'all wondering what this is. My grandma gave it to me, and I thought it was so aesthetic and like Pinterest vibes. And my mom had it, like, cause I gave it her because I didn't want it, but now I wanted it back so I could put some like cute jewelry in here, and it looks super cute. And it's a heart and it's glass, so I might like move my picture frame and put that there. Little clock, super clean. I kind of organize it. I gotta clean my mask thing because I had it on the cotton around. Because I need to wash it, so it's really easy, just with water, and just that's it. I need to I fix my calendar. I need to plan out my calendar for this upcoming month. Clean mirror. Hey booze. And then especially so clean, guys. Like, oh my god, look at that. Super clean, very simple, aesthetic. Like, that's what I love. Just like, yes, period. And then my chair. Oh my god, let me fix it for y'all. Okay. Okay. Very clean chair. A good overview of my room. It doesn't go there. But yeah, super clean. Have my slippers, a super clean rug, and yeah, booze, I hope you guys enjoy my clean with me video. I had so much fun doing this because I know y'all love these videos, and I love doing the clean, and y'all get to watch me, and maybe y'all can clean with me if you're watching this. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, don't forget to watch my recent videos, my what's in my purse video, and I have some good goodies in there, so don't forget to check that out. Yeah, guys, next time, bye.